Thinking about selling but worried about the shifting market? Well, good news. You still have leverage as a seller. Even as the market changes, sellers who use the right strategies can sell faster and for top dollar. Let's talk about what you can do to take advantage. Hi, I'm Lisa with Signature by Lisa and National Realty Centers. Here are the 5 biggest things sellers can leverage in today's market. First off, low inventory in key areas. While inventory is rising in some markets, many areas still have fewer homes for sale, and that gives sellers a competitive edge. However, you must price your home right. Price it too high, and the home will sit. Price it just right, and you attract multiple offer, which means better terms and a higher selling price for you. Also, try and have your home move-in ready. Today's buyers are pickier, and they're getting what they want. Most want turnkey homes that are updated, staged, and well-maintained. Even small upgrades like fresh paint and modern fixtures can increase your home's value and give you more leverage in today's negotiations. Also, you want to think about buyer incentives and flex terms to help you stand out from the competition. Maybe offer closing costs or a rate buy down to help with buyers' affordability. This doesn't mean you have to agree to all the buyer requests, but it does mean having a good agent on your side to help you through these negotiations can make a big difference. Finally, you want your home to have expert marketing and an online presence. Over 90% of buyers start their search online. High quality photos, video tours, and social media marketing can get your home in front of the right buyers fast. Sellers still have power even in a shifting market, but success comes down to strategy. Connect with me and I can create a plan to get you the best possible price and terms for your most prized possession, your home. I'm Lisa with Signature by Lisa and National Realty Centers, your real world realtor.